Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show the crochet flame stitch border edging pattern. It's a stitch multiple of 4 plus 3. To begin, single crochet in the first stitch. Chain 1. Skip 1. And then make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. And 3. Chain 2. Remove your hook from the loop. Insert it into the space before the single crochet stitches. And chain 1. In this ring, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 treble crochet. Chain 2. And slip stitch to form a picot. Slide the stitches over. Then do the reverse. Make 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. And that's 1 flame motif. For the next one, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. We'll repeat what we did before. Chain 2, remove hook, insert it here, chain 1. And in this ring, we'll start with a single crochet stitch, then a half double crochet, a double crochet, treble crochet, chain 2, and slip stitch to form the picot on top. Then a treble crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and finish with a single crochet. And that's the second motif. For the next one, just repeat everything we did for the second flame. 3 single crochet stitches, chain 2, and chain 1. Then make the stitches within this ring. Continue this across the row. If you are only making this edging on one side, just chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and make a single crochet in the last stitch. Now if you prefer to make this around like a border, make 2 more single crochet in that same stitch for a total of 3 single crochet. And proceed with making the stitches as before for the corner flame. Then continue around as we did before. And that's how I crochet the flame stitch border edging.
To get more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.